we're going to Petco. We just went to Pet Supply Plus, so we're going to Petco now because this is where the koi female that I'm probably going to get for the beta sorority was at. So we're gonna go in here because we went to Best Buy to get Dad something. So let's just look in here. Oh, is this old betas or new betas? So they still have betas, but do they have koi females? No. My koi female is gone. No, it's gone. It's gone. Huh? Here's another koi. What? Cool. Oh, here's a koi female that's pretty. And then here's another koi female, but there was a really pretty koi female. Here's a really pretty koi female. There's guys. Don't even look at that. That is wrong. They should not have that there. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Ah, Dad, look. He's so cute. What the? Dad, look at this beta. Look at this guy. Oh, he's so pretty. Oh, there's more over here. I didn't see them. They have a lot of betas. Oh, here's what Snow looks like. They have a lot of these guys. What Snow looks like. Dumbo, Half Moon, White Male. He's so cute. Okay, so let's compare the prices of the heaters and filters then. There's definitely crickets over there. You can hear them. Dad, I really wish I could have pet him. I need to get one of these too. One of these vacuum ones. We're probably going to get this one because it goes up 5 to 20 and this one goes to 1 to 15. So, probably going to get the $10 one and then the heater and filter. We're coming here to get probably the female, the fish. All the fish here, probably. We're not positive. But he's so cute. No. Baby is cuter. And then, I don't know. I might get some back gravel because I want it to be like a realistic kind of tank. Because I thought it would be very different. Where are the heaters and the filters? The heaters and the filters. I'm gonna check. There's all kinds of plants, but there was a girl that just got out a hamster over here, so it's probably still. Oh wait, guys, you get to see Hammy's here. Look at this Hammy. He's cute. New companion. There's a little dwarf. Oh, a Syrian. He's cute. This is what he looks like, I guess, but that does not look like him. Here's a little dwarf, and then this Syrian. So, there's not very many Hammies right now. Guinea pigs, little cute micey. But there's here's the heaters and the filters. So, I'm really hoping to get a good filter, but it's super hard to get like a good filter for under like $40. So, yeah. Dad, I am dying. Here's some see, $30. $30 compared to like $19 there. So,
no, this one.
We're not getting that. That's the one that blew up in our old tank.
Really?
Yes. We are not getting that again. Snake.
You want to just touch your back here? You don't want to touch your back here?
I held a corn snake before.
You can touch it, Eddie. You don't want to? I'm sorry, I don't mean to pass my fear.
Just a second. I don't think she'll strike, but just in case.
Here's a puppy. There's a chameleon.
You have no takers. You had a couple brave ones.
Couple breaks.
You believe it or not, 2 weeks ago I was terrified of snakes. Really? Well, you conquered your fear. Good
Like,
for
I
you.
feel a little shaky, especially when they move fast, but
Yeah.
I held a corn snake before, and it peed on me. Here is a mole. Some bearded dragons. Is there any other kind of cool ones? There's actually a hermit crab in that little thing right now. But guys, we really need to find like a good kind of like heater and filter because there's a lot of good kinds, but they're always so expensive. Here's a pretty big red-eared slider. No, this is a paint turtle, I think. I'm not sure. It might be either of those two. Is there anybody in here right now? No. It says caution, but there's nothing there. Oh, here's a... I've had this kind of frog before, a fire-bellied toad dog thing.
Yeah.
So
Is it
cute.
mulberry? Cute. Puppies. You're adorable. Oh.
I really want to film him to you guys, but then everybody would be seen and it would be kind of awkward. So, yeah, I think you saw that little puppy before, but I'm not positive. So, like I told you, I was going to be filming 4 or 5 videos today. So, it's going to be a lot. This one's really pretty. This one looks exactly like snow. But this one, guys, I'm just so... He's so pretty. He's an elephant. No, he's a half-moon Dumbo tail placket. Oh, I want him so badly right now. Guys, there is no such thing as a Dumbo ear female. If there is, I would totally get it for the pink, but there's no such thing. So, yeah, but we're going to show you the fish that I really want to get for the sorority. So, let's look at them. Where are they? I want to get a Dalmatian Molly because they're super cool. 1 Dalmatian Molly. And I might get a Mama Marsh ball if I have enough money to buy one after. And then I wanted to get a guppy. Is there any guppies right now over here? Yeah, some guppies. I wanted to get a guppy and a Molly. There is the snakes that we just held, well, pet. I've actually held, like I told you, I've held a corn snake before. Here is a Pac-Man frog. I don't know what that's called. Sorry. Animal people. You're just gonna, he just jumped. It's funny. And there's, tarantulas up here right now, actually. Right here. So yeah, guys. I think we're about to leave to get home, but I really, really wanted to see that one pup before we went. So yeah, guys, we're gonna be leaving soon. So see you guys later. Bye.